Good morning, students. Students, in our previous lecture, we completed the various general methods of preparation of monohydric alcohols, in which we discussed the preparation of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols. Now, students, our syllabus includes the alcohols, phenols and ethers. So, today in this discussion, we will learn certain methods or general methods for the preparation of phenols. So, methods of preparation of phenol. The first method is from benzene sulfonic acid. First method of preparation is from benzene sulfonic acid. First method of preparation will be from benzene sulfonic acid. So, how do we prepare it from benzene sulfonic acids? Now, benzene sulfonic acid, when fused with sodium hydroxide, it will result in the formation of sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, when treated with acid or diluted with acid, it will result in the formation of phenol. The C student over here. If you take benzene sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid is C6H5 SO3H. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid, when fused with sodium hydroxide, it will result in the formation of sodium benzene sulfonate. The product obtained will be sodium benzene sulfonate. Am I clear? The sodium benzene sulfonate, when again fused with sodium hydroxide, this is sodium benzene sulfonate. Sodium benzene sulfonate, when again fused with sodium hydroxide. Fused, what will happen? Molecule of sodium sulfite will be given out. Am I getting clear? And this will result in the formation of sodium phenoxide. The product obtained over here will be sodium phenoxide. Am I clear? So, it will result in the formation of sodium phenoxide. This sodium phenoxide, when hydrolyzed with water in presence of acid. Is it clear? The product obtained over here will be a phenol molecule. So, it will result in the formation of phenol. The product obtained over here will be phenol. Am I clear? So, the first method of preparation of phenol will be from benzene sulfonic acid. If someone asks you, how will you obtain benzene sulfonic acid? So, student, remember, if you take benzene when treated with fuming sulfuric acid, benzene when treated with fuming sulfuric acid. So, if you take benzene when made to react with fuming sulfuric acid, it will result in the formation of benzene sulfonic acid. The product obtained will be benzene sulfonic acid. This was the reaction which was discussed with you in the class 11th and was the property of benzene by electrophilic substitution reaction. So, in the board examination, the question may come, convert benzene into phenol. So, this can be one method of conversion of benzene into phenol. Am I getting clear? And this is how the benzene can be converted into benzene sulfonic acid. Now, from benzene sulfonic acid, we may obtain phenol. How? fuse the benzene sulfonic acid with sodium hydroxide to obtain sodium phenoxide, which when hydrolyzed in the presence of acid, it will result in the formation of phenol. Is it getting clear? Now the another method of preparation is from benzene diazonium chloride. Next method of preparation is from benzene diazonium chloride. So next method is from benzene diazonium chloride. From benzene diazonium chloride. So how do we obtain this from benzene diazonium chloride? Now remember student, benzene diazonium chloride. How do we obtain from benzene diazonium chloride? It will be by the process of hydrolysis. So if we carry out the hydrolysis of benzene diazonium chloride, it will result in the formation of a phenol molecule. Just see the reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene and then N2 positive, Cl negative. This is benzene diazonium chloride. When we will be studying the chapter number 4 of the organic chemistry, we will come across the benzene diazonium chloride. So benzene diazonium chloride. If we take benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride when warm and warm with water, it will result in the formation of a phenol molecule. The product obtained over here will be phenol. Now just see student over here. There can be two set of a question which can be asked over here. First of all, how do we prepare benzene diazonium chloride? Just see very carefully. The question can be convert nitrobenzene into phenol. Convert nitrobenzene into phenol. How will we convert? Nitrobenzene will be this one, C6H5 NO2. This is nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene on reduction in presence of tin and HCl. This is our reduction process. Nitro compound on reduction in presence of tin and HCl. It will result in the formation of aniline molecule. So product obtained over here will be aniline. Is it clear? This aniline, when made to react with sodium nitrite and HCl at the temperature of 0 to 5 degrees C. Is it clear? It will result in the formation of benzene diazonium chloride. The product obtained over here will be benzene diazonium chloride. And this benzene diazonium chloride, when warm with water, it will result in the formation of phenol. This benzene diazonium chloride, when warm with water, the product obtained will be the phenol molecule. So it will result in the formation of phenol molecule. Tell me whether I am clear or not. Yes. Now, although this is a property of benzene diazonium chloride, but how is the benzene diazonium chloride prepared? This will come in the further chapter we discuss and will become a property of aniline. So aniline, when treated with sodium nitrate and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees C, it will result in the formation of benzene diazonium chloride. How is the nitrobenzene converted into aniline? By the process of a reduction. So the equation is solving many questions. Question can be convert nitrobenzene into phenol. Question can be convert nitrobenzene into aniline, convert nitrobenzene into diazonium salt, or convert aniline into diazonium salt. Yes, from diazonium salt, phenol can be prepared by warming with water. So this is a second method of preparation of phenol. First one was from benzene sulfonic acid. Second one is from benzene diazonium salt. Third one will be from Grignard reagent. Next method of preparation is from Grignard reagent. How do we prepare it from Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent. Just see how do we prepare this one. If you take bromobenzene, how do we prepare the Grignard reagent? We take bromobenzene. Bromobenzene, when made to react with magnesium, and the reaction occurs, and it occurs in the presence of dry ether. It will result in the formation of phenyl magnesium bromide. The product obtained will be phenyl magnesium bromide. Can you see this, student? This is phenyl magnesium bromide is obtained. This phenyl magnesium bromide, when treated with oxygen in dry ether, it will result in the formation of phenoxy magnesium bromide. This phenyl magnesium bromide so formed. C6H5 MgBr. When react with oxygen and the reaction occurs in dry ether, it will result in the formation of phenoxy magnesium bromide. Fine. This phenoxy magnesium bromide, when hydrolyzed with water in presence of acid, the product obtained over here will be a phenol molecule. This is phenol plus magnesium hydroxy bromide will be given. Tell me whether it is getting clear or not. Yes. So the question can be convert bromobenzene into phenol. So how do we convert bromobenzene into phenol? The reaction will be by use of a Grignard reagent. Am I getting clear? This is bromobenzene. I am showing the reaction in the two step. Although the heading is from Grignard reagent, this is a Grignard reagent. But how is it being prepared? I have done one more step, so that if the question in this manner is asked, you will be able to answer. And this is a phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. This phenyl magnesium bromide, this is a Grignard reagent. Students, see carefully, in the heading we have prepared from Grignard reagent. Is it clear? Next is from salicylic acid. So how do we prepare from salicylic acid? How do we prepare this from salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. Now carboxylic acid, when treated with soda lime, the decarboxylation will take place and will result in the formation of phenol molecule. Just see over here, orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is OH and COH. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid. This is orthohydroxybenzoic acid. When treated with a sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide, that is on reaction with sodium hydroxide in presence of calcium oxide and heat, the product obtained will be a phenol molecule. It will result in the formation of phenol plus sodium carbonate plus a molecule of water will be given. The product obtained over here will be a phenol molecule. Tell me whether I am getting it clear or not. So orthohydroxybenzoic acid, when fused with sodium hydroxide, it will form phenol molecule, And this is soda lime decarboxylation, a method of preparation of alkane. Just see, Na2CO3 has been given out and this H has shifted to this side. So this is how it can be prepared. Fine. So orthohydroxybenzoic acid can be converted and converted directly into phenol. I think I shall be very, very clear, student. Fine. Now there is one more method which is very important method, and that is from isopropyl benzene. From isopropyl benzene. From isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene is also known as cumene. Student, cumene on oxidation in presence of suitable catalyst. How will I write down the reaction? Cumene, C6H5, CH, then CS3 and CS3. This is cumene, or it can be called as isopropyl benzene. This on oxidation in presence of suitable catalyst, it will result in the formation of cumene hydroperoxide. The product obtained will be cumene hydroperoxide, OOH. So cumene hydroperoxide is formed. Cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide is so formed when hydrolyzed with water in presence of acid or alkali. So cumene hydroperoxide when treated with water in presence of alkali. The product obtained will be a phenol molecule. It will result in the formation of phenol plus acetone will be given out. Formation of phenol plus acetone. The product obtained will be acetone. Am I clear, student? So, student, these are some of the general method of preparation of phenol. Is it clear or not? One process which we discussed was in the previous chapter, and that was by the down process. If you remember, the chlorobenzene on reaction with sodium hydroxide, it will result in the formation of phenol molecule. That was done in the previous chapter. Yes, the question may be asked, convert benzene into cumene. Convert benzene into cumene. Remember, benzene when made to react with propene, the reaction occurs in the presence of phosphoric acid or aluminium chloride, and it will result in the formation of cumene molecule. In the presence of phosphoric acid or aluminium chloride, it will result in the formation of CH, CS3 and CS3. This is a cumene molecule, which can also be called as isopropyl benzene. Am I clear? So convert benzene into isopropyl benzene, this. Convert isopropyl benzene into phenol, this reaction. So student, these are some of the general method of preparation of phenol. First is from benzene sulfonic acid, then from benzene diazonium salt, third is from the Grignard reagent, fourth from salicylic acid, and fifth one from isopropyl benzene. So now student, in this chapter we have done with you or completed the general method of preparation of alcohols and phenols. In our next lecture, we will start the discussion of physical properties of alcohols. Till then, thank you.